an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good morning, Groomy. Today is August the 23rd. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. It is tea time for the ladies out here. Man, I made a video yesterday. Well, I thought I was making a video. But I brought a bunch of fish home from work. And I had all them empty pots over here. And I had the root balls from the indoor grow. I actually showed the strawberry tea root ball. But I pulled one of my old stunts. I ain't done it in a long time. But the light was blaring on the cam. Anyways, make a long story short, I was recording when I was supposed to be paused, and I was paused when I was supposed to be recording. So that video is gone. But yeah, I took all the fish carcasses and guts and everything, and of course I had a big thick layer in the bottom. I threw all the fish parts in there and dumped pots in there. I'll get all them big oyster shells out next spring and put them back in the bottom of the pots. But yep, I'm gonna throw a lid on that thing and let her cook until spring. We reuse it. Yes, indeed. But yep, it is tea time. 2.5 grams to a 5-gallon bucket. Weighed, of course. And a tablespoon of grandma's unsulfured molasses. I'm gonna get this going here. I'll bring you back and we'll go have a look around here. I got something to show you. Okay, dokie. We'll let her fucking sit here and chill out for a minute. Go look at some old shit. Damn it, I'm gonna have to in-shot this. I don't hit the wrong goddamn button. Yeah, I'm gonna give the veggies some fish fertilizer. I like poking a little hole in the top of my shit and using a syringe. Less mess. And this is Messy Marvin telling you this. Yeah, let's go look at some shit here. Oh, I think I'm just going ahead and I'm gonna harvest this one damn squash. I'm gonna Dr. Zymes everything tonight. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take that squash and I'm just gonna trash this thing. And bitch is plastered with PM. Plants look great. I mean, ain't got no problem with that. I got a bass wire cage. I'm gonna take a bunch of these and some tomatoes, and some of the jalapenos. I'm gonna put a bunch of shit in there and put them up underneath my table over there so they can just do their thing. I collect some seeds. I'm gonna keep this bell pepper rocking and rolling. I'll chop them up and slice them up, and put them in a freezer bag. Chili, venison chili. Gotta have my bell peppers for that. Yeah, they're doing nice. Doing nice. But yeah, we're gonna lose that damn. We're gonna lose that squash. I'm pretty sure. I don't think I have to wait for you to tell me what you think. Let me just get rid of that bitch, right? Alrighty. Let me get on over here and get things rounded up and we'll put the tea down together. For the most part, anyway. What we got? You can't see that, but it's 6.54 and I ain't waste my time pushing the button. I'll be back. Okay, dokie. Miss Kay's blanket. That poor little girl got all broke up. She's rocking and rolling. I just pour mine right down the trunk of the plant. I don't let it. I try not to let it run out to the sides and run down the side of the pot. I just let it take its time. And eventually I can throw it to it. I'll give this one about a quart. I'll do the Jack Ma behind me. I'll add a quart. I'll go over there and add a quart to the strawberry tea. Then I'll come on back. By that time, it'll suck it up. You'll get all these 10-gallon pots over here. I'll give them a gallon each, and then give the Rise and Shiva the rest. If she don't take the 2 full gallons, then I'll come back here and give these the rest. I'll be back. I got the blanket pretty straight. I was gonna reach my hand in there and see how fat that damn knot was. Good thing, I mean, I can't imagine what these things would look like in a 20-gallon pot. But yeah. They're looking nice. This blanket. Where are we at here? There we are. Got this to cam sideways, man. I don't like it sideways. Yeah, the blanket smells great. They're all smelling good. Rise and Shiva has less smell than all of them, but the blanket smells like cantaloupe. And this Jack Ma and the strawberry tea, they just smell sweet. But the blanket definitely smells like cantaloupe. Oh. She got a knot too. Big girl. Nice and clear up underneath there. You see the sun shining through. You do need to. Oh. Get in there and take a little bit of shit out. On over to the strawberry tea. Yeah, I don't like the sideways mess. Don't like it. I don't know how many times my damn camera's done shut off with it sideways like that. I'm gonna be in-shotting for a month. Yeah. Definitely gonna be some Dr. Zymes going down tonight. I'm gonna go on a bug hunt though first. I'm gonna scope it out with the black light. I might video it, but I'm definitely not going live with it. I'm gonna be busy. All right, I'll get these 3 girls taken care of and we'll head on over to the Rise and Shiva. Might as well stop on over here to Jurassic Park. Yeah, crazy looking things. Yeah. Old cucumbers about played out. I'll keep them going here for a little bit longer. They still making a little bit. Throwing a little veggie action in here. If you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm done with that damn tripod for now, I can tell you that. That sideways deal getting on my nerves. I don't know how many damn videos I gotta splice together here now. Miss Nasty, she's on the way out. I had to use that stick there yesterday. She was up in my plant. But yeah, she's starting to break the rules. She's over there tied into my plant there, but I know she's on the way out. 2 egg cases sitting right there. She's gonna leave her army behind, but yep, I feel her days are numbered. Let's get in here and give this thing some tea. I'm not getting a whole lot of smelly off the rising Chiba yet. It has a smell, but I guess I would have to say maybe earthy or something. It's not sweet like the other 3 plants. This goddamn thing's got me backed up against the damn fence. Oh! Oh, big girl. Yep. They all look good as far as lollipopping. Need a few some defoliating in a few places. And a little bit of lollipopping there on the jack mob. But other than that, they are looking fantastic. I know I already said it. I'm going bug hunting tonight. And I'm gonna Dr. Zymes everything. Definitely gonna get rid of that squash plant. Just getting ready to make a trip to the compost pile back in the woods. Hell, I reckon I'm gonna let you go, Grummy. I'm gonna get after it. Hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Have a fantastic evening. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.